What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is IAmTonyaLaTise, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I maintain these mini twists that I put in my hair with added hair. I'm just gonna go through and show you guys how I keep this up for a couple of months. So the first thing I do is just go in and spray my entire head or hair with some water. You want to get this as saturated as you can. You don't want to get it soaking wet, but you want to make sure that you're misting the hair very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip my hair over. You want to make sure that you get the back of your hair as well, so don't forget about that, you guys. Okay, so once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to squeeze and press the water into my hair, so I make sure that I get that water all throughout the hair. Okay, now I'm just going to section my hair into two sections. I'm going to go ahead and put one away. And now I'm going to use some type of hair cream, okay? I use the SheaMoisture Jamaican black castor oil hair cream, but you can use whatever you're comfortable using or whatever your favorite product is. You just want to make sure that you get this all throughout the hair. You want to get it at the top of your hair or at the roots, and you also want to get it down at the ends. I do the ends even though my hair is not all the way to the end, but I do the ends because it helps the hair to smell good. You know, after a while of having braids or added hair into your head, it may start to smell a little funny. So, you know, you want to wash your hair and you want to make sure you put something in it that's going to help it smell good as well. So that's why I rub it all the way down to the bottom of my hair too. So I just went ahead and did the same thing to the other side. And I'm just showing you right here, after I put that cream in, my hair separates a lot easier, because if you know anything about having twists in your hair, sometimes the hair strands get tangled on other twists, and I'm talking about your natural hair. So you want to make sure you keep that moisturized so you're not breaking your hair off, okay? Okay, so now I'm just going to go around the edge or the perimeter of my hair, the front, the sides, and make sure you don't forget the back, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead with that same hair cream or oil moisturizer, whatever it is you're using. Make sure that you put it on your edges to rub it in, because this tends to be the dry part of your hair, the part that you may brush a lot or whatnot. You know, I don't put any gel on it, but you just want to make sure you keep that part of your hair moisturized as well. Okay, so once you're done moisturizing your hair, you can go ahead and style your hair however you want to. The hair may feel a little damp or wet, you know, after putting the water and the hair lotion in there. So I like to put my hair up into like a top ponytail, and sometimes I just let it hang in a ponytail so it's off my shoulders or whatnot, or sometimes I will wrap it around in a bun or a ball. So whatever you want to do, you know, you just want to get the hair off your shoulders so that it's not wet in your shirt or whatever. I decided to go ahead and put my hair into a bun. So I'm just going to separate it in two sections, and I'm just going to start twisting each section in a big twist, and I'm just going to wrap it around and bobby pin that in to secure it. I will say, doing your hair like this, This tends to hold on to the moisture in your hair a lot more than just, putting it up in a ponytail and leaving it loose. So I like to do this hairstyle, and I probably keep it like this the whole day, at least just one day. I may keep it like this for 2 days just to, try to get my hair, my natural hair, to hold on to some of that moisture. So the entire goal here, you guys, is to make sure that your natural hair is continuing to be moisturized while you have it in this protective style, okay? Or any type of twists or braids or whatever. You just want to make sure that you're still taking care of your natural hair, making sure that it's hydrated and moisturized, especially if this is a style that you're going to keep in your hair for more than a month, I would say. If you're keeping it in that long, make sure that you take the time to wash your hair in this style, because you have to keep your scalp clean. Make sure that you are moisturizing your hair as well. All right, you guys, so that is it. Listen, this is what I do to keep my hair moisturized when I have mini twists in for an extended period of time. If there's anything that you do different to keep your hair healthy while you have it in a hairstyle like this, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Peace.